My name is Lisa. Hi guys. I'm from GHDWoodhead and I'm here to present the GHD Melbourne office fit out. So GHD's old office had some very obvious problems to it. Now, granted, this photo isn't of the actual office, but it certainly captures the essence of what that office was. It was an outdated fit-out with cubicles, there was very limited social areas, and virtually no collaborative space. It was a stagnant and inflexible place where some people had sat at their same desks for 15 years. No joke. So, GHDWoodhead, which is part of GHD, was engaged to redesign our Melbourne office. Now, it's an office that's home to more than 20 disciplines, ranging from water infrastructure, project management, civil and urban design, and everything in between. With over 300 staff, the office is home to a diverse group of people that all sit within one space. Now, the challenge was to fit all of this diversity into one space and to get all of our disciplines out of the very stagnant cubicle space and to truly start to work together and collaborate. So we wanted to achieve a cross-pollination between the disciplines, to create a design that enables our integrated practice to actually integrate with one another, and to create a design that reflects the core values of GHD: safety, teamwork, respect, and integrity. So, how do we go about doing that? Well, for starters, we changed the entire way that our office works. We went from the stagnant cubicle to an activity-based workplace, which meant agility. From now on, we can all work from our laptops, whenever, wherever, and the office provides desks with screens where we can plug in and sit for the day. So we created a democratic space with a flat floor plate, a design that treats everyone as equals and provides the same opportunity back wherever you sit in the office. There are no private offices, and even our senior managers now have to work side by side with us mere mortals. Instead, we work in open plan neighbourhoods, where related disciplines at GHD sit together, tearing down the previous cubicle walls and opening up for an interweaving of disciplines instead. For example, our architecture team sits with building services, planning, heritage, and urban design. The floor plates are connected through a new bespoke staircase that's punching through all the 3 floors that is the office and creating this vertical urban village that is the new center and the core of the design. It's centered around 3 main social areas: the business hub on the lowest level, the kitchen hub in the center, and the reception area on the top. So from the center of each floor plate, a row of core facilities stretches out to either side of the building, providing meeting and private rooms in various sizes. The corners of the floor plates are a mixture of larger meeting rooms and collaborative spaces, all intended to encourage and accommodate different ways of working, whether it be focused on collaboration, engaged interaction, or concentration. The main circulation is located behind the row of meeting rooms towards the building core, and allowing the meeting rooms to become an acoustic buffer to the open plan neighbourhoods. Laneways connect the circulation space back to the neighbourhoods, while also serving as utility stations. The urban metaphors are prominent in our design concept, as they serve to create a symbolic link to GHD's business purpose, city shaping. In terms of the materiality, we stripped back to the core building fabric, creating an industrial aesthetic with a palette of concrete, timber, mesh, and steel, reflecting the city that we're looking out onto. The 3 floors each have a different palette within themselves. The top floor, where the reception is located, is viewed as the client-facing floor, and a darker timber and mesh ceiling were chosen to provide a more sophisticated aesthetic. The reception is where the interface between GHD and the public realm can take place. This is where we welcome clients and visitors and demonstrate what GHD stands for and has to offer. The area has a modern industrial feeling with a terrazzo tile, black mesh ceiling, and slatted timber walls and ceilings to provide warmer tones. The customized inset carpet is designed by a Wurundjeri artist and connects us to our commitment to respect and honor the traditional custodians of this nation. The 2 lower levels are more focused around the people occupying it, which is reflected in a lighter color palette with a white mesh ceiling and lighter timber. The central row of offices provides an opportunity for color and a bit of fun, and each row has a different color palette that gives a signature color to each neighborhood. The design also incorporates a variety of green planting dispersed through the floor plans to achieve a biophilic connection to nature and improve air quality. Although the numbers of desks have remained roughly the same, the way we now utilize the space has dramatically changed. The amount of floor plate area dedicated to collaborative space has increased from 13 to 34%, while we reduced circulation from 17 to 11%, and also reduced the amount of area dedicated to focus work from 70 to 55%. All this while still accommodating a 28% future growth in staff numbers. As was desired by GHD, our new design clearly emphasizes the importance of social and collaborative space, while also utilizing the space efficiently. The design focuses on the people occupying the space and puts their health and well-being first. And in line with trying to create a democratic space, the design provides equal access to lights, views, thermal comfort, and high air quality. Although the transition to an activity-based workplace was somewhat daunting for some of our staff, an overwhelming majority have expressed not only an understanding for the need of an activity-based workplace, but also an appreciation and enjoyment of working in our new environment. Also, I'll just finally say that this project is designed to suit an integrated practice, and it's also a demonstration of the strength of the integrated practice, with GHD providing end-to-end services, including project management, change management, engineering, and design. Thank you very much.